Hello everyone and welcome to another video on the channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about volume, okay, and we're going to specifically begin to talk about a tool that we use on a daily basis that shows us and well, you as well, obviously, when you will start using it, but um, that shows us the price levels that has the most volume, okay, because in the end we know that the market is based on volume. Okay, there are trillions of dollars every single day being moved from one place to another, from one coin to another, from one currency to another. So it's all about volume. Okay, we need to understand this deeply. So now we are using Uenda. Okay, so basically all the volume information that we're going to get is from Uenda. So basically what we do is there is a tool in the intersection. Okay, and when you go to volume profile, you have different volume tools. And the one we use is fixed range. You have session volumes as well. You can all try these out. But the one we use is fixed range. And another place that you can find this one is over here, where the long positions, short positions are, all that stuff. You can find fixed range volume profile, which is the exact same thing. So this one, for example, in my favorites, it is this one. Okay, is this icon. So basically what you can do, okay, when we see all these price levels, as you probably understood already from us, we know where the volume is. We know that the volume is in consolidation and it's not in actual move. Okay, so we can show you some examples. We're going to take all this consolidation over here and we're going to take the actual move to the downside. You can see that the consolidation is in the volume is in the consolidation and is not in the actual move. As you can see, when the move happened, it's just empty, all this. Okay, there's nothing, no information. So no volume basically, and all the volume is over here. So these are interesting price levels, and obviously this point of control is the price level where most volume has been transacted, obviously on Oenda, and obviously this depends on every single broker, but it will be pretty similar. So I'm going to give you some examples how to trade this, how to use this, and how to trade it. So we have over here all this ranging price action, which is not too clean to draw a zone, as you can draw zones at a different ways. So we can use this all for all the consolidation, and we can see where the whole volume is. Okay, as you can see, the volume is pretty much the middle. Okay, so basically what you can do, you can draw the zone over here like this, or use the whole thing. That really depends on you. Okay, and look what happened. It was just magic. Price came back, spiked into this volume range, okay, which would be this one, this volume area right here. Okay, and basically it just touched this whole volume range, the point of control as well. It just closed above, also pretty interesting. And what did it do? It would just react like crazy because there's so much volume here, down here. Okay, so definitely on a lower time frame, you can find a nice entry over here. And this obviously, as we know, is a lot of volume. And I think this was a weekly zone as well. Let me just show this on the weekly so we can see. Yes, it is on the weekly. So as you can see, this is weekly zone as well. If we extend just to the left, okay, you can see this is a weekly zone. So we know this is pretty strong. There's a lot of volume over here, as it's a weekly, and just at this price level over here, all this consolidation is a lot of volume. And as you can clearly see, there's a big, like, let's say our entry is a little over here. This is already 760 pip move, guys. This is incredible. Obviously, it's not easy to hold this because we never know what price is going to do, but you can say, okay, I'm going to hold it to this high, or I'm going to hold it to this high, or I'm going to hold it to the next weekly zone, which would be this one over here. So maybe I'm going to hold it to the top or to the high of that zone, or to these candle closes. That's already 600 pips. Okay, guys, so that's pretty crazy to catch these trades just out of volume. Okay, and this goes everywhere, guys. Obviously, this is a perfect setup. There are definitely some more setups that we can find. I think this one over here might be a good area as well. So you can see a lot of consolidation, a lot of volume, point of control over here. From the high, basically, we take the whole volume range, and we didn't actually have price coming into this area, but it was just very messy as well. So yeah, price didn't really come back to this area. So this is not a good example. Right over here, a lot of consolidation as well in this area. As you can see, a lot of volume has been transacted. you can draw a zone from here. Okay, take this whole range, price comes and reacts basically twice. Okay, it just reacts once and stays in there for a long time, and then reacted very strongly to it. So also very, very interesting to see this. Thanks to the volume. Thank you very much. And basically this is a nice example. We have another one over here. Crazy volume in this whole range over here. Okay, this is literally insane. Let me just draw it again. Over here. Okay, so this is just crazy. We go from the high, we take this whole volume range. Price, what does it do? Comes back, stays in for quite a while actually. You can see how long it stayed there. So it stayed for 1 day and 4 hours. Okay, that's pretty long for 28 hours. So definitely very nice place to enter as well. Where did it go? Point of control. It actually respected it. It didn't even close above. Again, wicks. Yeah, that's just crazy, guys. So guys, this is a crazy tool. Obviously you can use the other ones as well. Let's see the visible range. I don't know how to trade this, to be honest. I don't know how to use it. I just know it's very similar. It's just basically they decide where the price levels, the interesting price levels are. So for example, is this one over here, which definitely makes sense. This is where all the strong buying happens. Okay, this level right here. This is where all this strong move basically originated from. Obviously, you can say it's from the downside as well, but there was a nice strong pullback is here as well. So yeah, this is just a bit different. Okay, we don't really use that. You can try out the other tools as well. I'm not sure how to use them. I don't even know what they are. Yeah, I'm just not. Oh, okay, this is pretty interesting. So this is sessions. Okay, so yeah, with the session indicator, we can see. Okay, this is pretty interesting. What does it take? I'm not sure what sessions it takes though. Maybe it's just the Asian session. Maybe it's maybe it's the whole day. I'm not sure. Yeah, guys, I'm not sure, but this is definitely, you can maybe implement this in your strategy as well. Just play around with it, see how exactly it works, what exactly it does, and maybe you can implement it in your strategy. Okay, this is pretty interesting to see as well. This sessions, well, we use the sessions indicator, but then the sessions volume tool is pretty interesting as well. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much how we do things. This is very helpful for our trading. Like I said, play around with it, use different volume tools. In the end, the whole market is dominated by volume, so we need to understand this deeply. So yeah, anyways guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, then leave us a like, subscribe to the channel. We're uploading new videos every single week. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below. And you know, if you're looking for a more personal trade education, then check out our course. The link is in the description, where we explain everything, how we do things step by step. So yeah, if you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, or send us a message on Instagram, email us, whatever. Okay. So yeah, guys, hope you liked it, and we'll see you in the next one.